I went to every single shop in my local area and I was like, please do you have boxes? And they've all said they've all just been removed. Luckily, one toy store was like, yes, go round the back, we've just put some in the marquee. And also my neighbours came and they just took away 4 chairs that I needed to get rid of because I was not a fan. And also they took away the lamp I wanted to get rid of. I'm gonna come back for the desk. I've really been through the wars today, in the rain, Ugg boots drenched. I'll just show you what's going on right now. There's Ella. She's not very happy because we usually have a big rug here. I'm sorry, Ella. The rug's gone, sweetheart. We're moving to a carpeted home. We don't need a cream rug on a cream carpet. I know, your feet get cold. Look, there's a sofa there. You'll be fine. These are some of the boxes we've got. And then that. I do not think that that's enough to move a whole apartment. Oh dear. I really need to get rid of this giant, fat, wooden desk. It has to go. I have 3 days to empty this. You gonna help me pack, Ella Bella? Ellie Pop Pops. This is the tape I got. Is one roll gonna be enough? We'll soon find out. This is packing tape because apparently masking tape and duct tape will simply not do. And one fragile tape. I'm sure the fragile tape will be enough, but I get the feeling that I might need to get some more packing tape. We'll see how we get on. Now I have to pack. I'm gonna put a note on each door with the colour on it so everybody knows by the box that correlates with each door. Blue means bathroom, red means kitchen, green means living room, pink means bedroom, whatever. Here we go, guys. Let's be super organized and let's move. Honestly, I've been here 4 years and I have enjoyed it, but I'm moving to the better part of town in a gorgeous historical Victorian house. I've had the new build experience. Now bring me back to my Victorian era. I'm so excited and I can't wait to decorate and style and dress the apartment. I actually used to work in visual merchandising and branding in Chelsea, and I used to do the setting of the rooms and the furniture and the lifestyle, and I was so into it. I learned so much from Chelsea and their traditional British style of how you set up a room, how you style a room, how you live in a room, and I can't wait to implement that. Plus I watch Architectural Digest, home tours, Homeworthy. I used to watch NTV Cribs back in the day. I used to love watching that and think, wow, the way people live is so fascinating. Come on this journey with me, guys. Let's move, let's get it done. We'll get through this together. It's the final viewing. We're just gonna do the measurements. Ignore the state of me I've been packing. But let's go and have a look, make sure everything fits. It's coming up to midnight now. I've been packing and packing and I'm about 90% there. Tomorrow I have to wake up so early. Don't mind the hair, the grooming routine, everything's gone. Even my dog, we're all in a state in here. I have to get to the estate agent so early in the morning. I can't believe this. Is this normal? Comment below, but I'm signing my new tenancy agreement on moving day. So I need to rush an hour away, sign that, rush back, meet the moving van here. Let's see how we get on tomorrow. That's the plan so far. I'm in absolute state. No makeup, not hairbrushed. I did brush my teeth earlier because, believe it or not, whilst I'm packing, the next tenants moving in, several of them a day are viewing the property in and out, in and out, in and out, whilst I'm packing, asking me all these questions. It's completely unfurnished because it's all mine. And they're like, well, what about your bed? What about your wardrobes? I'm like, no, completely empty. Oh, how about no. Empty. I'm moving out, it's all my stuff. There's Ellie Pops, bless her, she needs a groom, but I did just shampoo her. You are nice and clean, baby girl, you just need a trim, don't you? Yeah, we both need a haircut. I've left the stinky blankie out for her. All her toys and everything that used to be there are all packed up. She's very upset about it. She actually weed on her bed because she's so upset. These are all the boxes. They said I'm allowed 40 or they'll charge me more. I didn't really count, but I'm guessing we're at about 50 right now. The music on the TV kept me going the whole time. I'm hoping they're gonna allow all of this because we might be 10 or 20 boxes over. I might have to carry these by hand, and I don't want these bashing about. You know, all these oil diffusers. These are just what my dog needs on the day. She needs these to travel and stuff. These artworks didn't fit anywhere. I still have some boxes. Maybe tomorrow when I get back before the movers, if I have time, I can try and fashion something out of that. Maybe 2 boxes together. That desk that was here actually went to the British Heart Foundation. So guys, please donate to charity rather than throwing things away if they're in perfectly good order. Look at my little princess. We're exhausted, sweetheart, aren't we? Don't worry. When we move, I'll give you so much attention and I'll take you to the park. It's just a tough time we're going through, I promise. You'll love the new place, sweetie pops. I have got dishes to do, but god damn it, I'm not doing any more. Enough is enough now. That's tomorrow's problem. Let's see what's left in the fridge. There's some condiments, like I didn't pack them. What am I supposed to have for breakfast, guys? Cheesy apples with a lump of butter. You can have a porridge and strawberries. The bathroom. Just things I have to use in the morning and for the day. Maybe I can pack an emergency to-go bag with these girly bits and stuff. A lot of people fell in love with my bed and kept asking, you know, does this come with the flat? And I kept saying no, completely unfurnished. And they were like, oh, fitted wardrobes. And I'm like, no, I designed those. They're not fitted. Look, you can see the gap there. I just left out enough essentials. I hope I've got enough undies, otherwise we're in trouble. And a few clothing items. These are just for the first 2 or 3 days, and some pajamas because I want to be cozy when unpacking. I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed. See you in the morning, guys. They've had to take the legs off because that is a massive table. This one did a runner already, didn't you, Ella? She already tried to make a break for it. Completely void of all my personality and all the things I had. I miss my grooming routine. We're walking back quickly before they load all my belongings onto the van. They literally wouldn't put on. It was only about 10 extra boxes. They wanted £200 plus. They said we have to dismantle all your wardrobes. It was a little bit stressful, a little bit touch and go. And they've left the lorry wide open and my boxes in the hallway, and the neighbours were like buzzing on my door. They couldn't get their pram in and out of the lift. It's all kicking off. What a day. Everything we planned just was not what happened. The wardrobes are dismantled. I hope to God they can rebuild it nicely. Pray to the wardrobe gods that they make it. Goodbye treehouse. That's what it looks like. That was my view. Now that I'm moving, you can see it. That way is Deptford, that way is Greenwich, and we're tree height, which was quite fun, but we were on top of a bus stop, so that wasn't fun. Here it is, my hopes and dreams dismantled, but hopefully rebuilt. A phoenix from the ashes type situation. To the flat with its huge floor-to-ceiling windows. It absolutely looks huge now. Just carrying the last bits down, did the final clean, and off we go to our new life. I can't wait to go home and go to bed and then unpack. They accidentally broke my shoe cabinet, but we went IKEA, got me a new one. It's been very stressful, but I'm leaving behind my old life and starting anew, and I can't tell you how exciting that is, even though the other place seems cramped full of boxes and stuff. I really am excited to make it home and take you on that journey with me. I plan on painting, changing the handles, setting it almost like a film set, like a lifestyle. If you can hear banging, they're just pulling apart the wardrobes. I'm taking you on this journey with me, guys. It's going to be my DIY home style decor series. It's a very daunting task in a tight London space. Let's make it beautiful. Let's see what we can do. This is how the kitchen's looking. There was boxes everywhere. Now you can see I'm trying to sort things out. There's so much rubbish to get rid of when you're moving. We've got rid of a lot of boxes. I really want to get rid of these shelves. At least we have curtains up now. There is stuff everywhere. It's a lot to get through when you move. Don't take moving lightly, guys. You're moving your whole life and you're starting afresh. But the exciting thing is you can redesign your life exactly as you want. It is scary at this stage. I'm in pajamas for the second day. I don't know how to put the heating on. I'm freezing, and because it's the weekend, the estate agents that I speak to are all away till Monday, so I'm just like putting blankets and stuff on top of me, and I can't find my grooming equipment because there's half the boxes still to unbox. Send help. It doesn't end when you get to the new place. The story has only just begun. I'm envisioning something really cute and cozy and homey. We've had some issues. As you can see, these mirrors I'm going to have to give to charity. I don't know where I can store my clothes horses that I usually dry my clothes on. 2 wardrobes fit there, but this one, the movers busted it up. It's like ruined. They've scratched off some paint, and inside there's damage as well. There's an awkward space here because we're in an attic conversion. Maybe I can store something in there. It's just figuring out what to do with all these awkward spaces. I need to get rid of this wardrobe because it's so big and it's just jutting out, so I think I'll have to dispose of this somehow. Maybe call the council to come and take it away, and then put an appropriate furniture there. This is Ellie Belly, sweetheart. Hello, baby. Everything's a bit upside down, but we'll find our rhythm again. We'll be all right. I love you. I love you. It's so cute, sir. It's very strange that I have a little sink in the bedroom. I have to call everyone to say I've changed my address. I have to call the water, the council tax. I have no internet. The heating I can't switch on. I think I need to join a gas company or something. I have to tell the bank that I've moved. Oh my god, I need to make a list and call everyone. And hunt around for the cheapest tariffs as well. Like, why pay more? Electricity works the same. Yeah, I'm just a little bit stressed. I'm going to take a nap and then get back to the unboxing. I'm hopeful that this stage will come to an end, and then we can make the place look cute and pretty and functional. It's a little bit of a nightmare. It's a nightmare right now, but stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get there.